In the bustling city of Tikrit, nestled by the Tigris River, lived a young boy named Salahuddin. His friends often marveled at his bravery and curiosity, qualities that seemed rare among boys his age. Salahuddin came from a family known for their deep devotion to Islam and wisdom. The city was alive with the sounds of merchants and scholars, and Salahuddin reveled in the stories of courage and faith shared by the elders. His father, Ayub, often recounted tales of great heroes from the past, instilling in Salahuddin a thirst for knowledge and truth. The call to prayer at dawn would awaken the city, and Salahuddin never missed joining his father at the mosque. One day, as Salahuddin and his friends played by the riverbanks, rumors spread of an impending visit from an empire's envoys. The neighboring empire sought to impose their rule upon Tikrit, desiring more control over its resources. Salahuddin listened intently as the adults discussed the coming diplomatic meeting, wondering how his beloved city and its people would react. That evening, as Salahuddin prepared for his evening prayer, he felt a stirring within him. He remembered the stories of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, and the strength he drew from faith. Salahuddin's mind raced with thoughts of protection and peace, and he knew courage must be rooted in strong belief. The next morning, the envoys arrived with fanfare and authority, their eyes searching for weakness to exploit. Salahuddin stood amongst the crowd gathered in the main square, his presence unnoticed by the men of power. As the negotiations began, tensions rose, but Salahuddin noticed his father's calm composure. Inspired by his father's wisdom, Salahuddin silently prayed for the city's safety. Suddenly, amidst discussions, Salahuddin boldly stepped forward, reciting verses from the Quran about unity and the strength of community. His voice, although young, resonated with conviction. Surprised by the boy's courage, the envoys paused, taken aback by the genuineness in his words. Salahuddin's courage whispered a reminder of the city's fortitude, unyielding to intimidation. His actions, fueled by faith, echoed a silent message within the crowd: faith and unity were their true strength. As agreements were reached peacefully, the city's elders knew that Salahuddin's boldness had inspired its people to stand firm. The boy learned that true bravery comes not from challenging others directly, but from standing firm in one's faith and representing peace. The moral of the story is that true courage is found in unwavering faith and the pursuit of peace through wisdom and unity.